The project name is Wind Power Plant with Automatic Street Light. This is the windmill. This is the dynamo. The dynamo will convert wind energy into electrical energy. The converted energy will light up these LEDs. Now we can rotate these LEDs. We can rotate this and observe light is glowing. The light will charge the batteries, and the batteries in turn will power the street light. Whenever there is a light dependent resistor here, this is a light sensor. When light falls on it, like you can put a flashlight of the mobile phone, then automatically these will be switched off. There is a relay circuit inside which will detect the light, the presence of light, and will switch off the street lights. These are the two transformers, and this is the transmission line where the power is transmitted from one location to the other. This is the concept of windmill power plant. The windmill which will generate electricity required for the street light as well as for homes.